today to introduce you to the Centaur Meridian Dado range. This is basically a new profile from Centaur. It is a 173 by 60 profile. Some of the main features include the hinge lid, which basically drops down, so all cables can be retained in the bottom of the unit, and you basically clip it back in again, which makes the installation very simple indeed. That is top and bottom as well, with a similar style at the top of the unit as well. The system comes with adjustable bends, internal and external bends. This is the external bend that adjusts from 40 to 95 degrees, which obviously gives a nice bit of adjustment for those walls that are never straight, especially when you get to the corners. This is the internal bend, which bases 83 to 95 degrees, will give you full adjustment into the internal corner. Also in the range we offer the features such as the punched holes every 300mm, so that enables obviously no drilling on site. All the units come in 3 metre lengths. We also do a range of specials as well. So here we have our clear lid version, which we actually designed for the MOD, which obviously is available throughout the range in all the accessories and the bends as well. On this unit here we'll show you the mini trunking adapter as well. This actually clips into the top of the Dado, which enables a nice clean finish to when you're mini trunking into the top or bottom when you're fitting the Dado to the wall. The whole range is Cat 6 and 7 compliant as well. So all the data sweeps are actually incorporated into the bend. So you'll see there, when you run the cables around the actual into the bend, you get a nice gentle sweep. That's also the same with all the actual bends and accessories as well. So you maintain the nice gentle sweep into the bend, giving it Cat 6 and Cat 7 compliance. The range is stocked completely here at Centaur as well, so we do keep a good stock holding. So for any projects you have coming up, please bear us in mind. Thank you.